The Ship of Dreams, The Sinking of the Titanic by Gareth Russell. In April 1912, six notable people were among those privileged to experience the height of luxury, first class passage on the Ship of Dreams, the RMS Titanic. Within a week of setting sail, they were all caught up in the horrifying disaster of the Titanic sinking, one of the biggest news stories of the century. Today we can see their stories and the Titanic's voyage as the beginning of the end of the established hierarchy of the Edwardian era. Built in 1912, the ship did not survive its maiden voyage between Le Havre and Hoboken. It entered history with all the fervor of a myth of unsinkability and endless luxury. The author was from Belfast, where the Titanic was built. The Titanic was built in competition between rival shipping lines in Britain, the US, and the Germany. This book is about the detailed biographies of six chosen characters. Here are the names of the six first-class passengers. Lucy, the Countess of Rothes; Thomas Andrews, who was a managing director with Harland and Wolff; John Thayer and his son Jack, a wealthy Pennsylvania main line family; Ida Strauss and Isidore Strauss, the owners of the Macy's department store; and Dorothy Gibson, an American actress. Chapter 12: Get to where the ship hit the iceberg. Among the many errors, no binoculars for the lookouts, an inadequate number of lifeboats. There was no effort to bar third-class passengers from lifeboat, though the placement of their cabins and the fact that many did not speak English contributed to their considerably lower survival rates. Because the Titanic carried many elite passengers, including British nobility and an American movie star, in addition to a global mix of immigrants, the ship has always issues of class extremes. The Titanic is the vessel in which we can learn many lessons on hubris, folly, greed, love, class, magnificent courage, and pitiable weakness. Titanic carried thousands of people, and in that way, she still has thousands of stories to tell. It was the ship of dreams to everyone else. To me, it was a slave ship taking me back to America in chains.